This tutorial will discuss the end-user workflow for CadDashboard and HL7 messages. To begin, open the CadDashboard software and log in. If the workstation is connected to a CADLink server with the HL7 module licensed, CadDashboard will show a Scheduled Appointments option. Select one of the patients and start a study to begin recording data. Continue with data collection, then generate a report when the recording has finished. The report will be generated within a Word document. Any Word-compatible software can be used with the report. Once the report has been finalized, press Finish, then close the recording. Next, click on the Review Records tab in CadDashboard. Highlight the desired patient and select the newly generated report on the right-hand side. When the report has been selected, the Send Result button will activate and can be used to submit the document to the EMR. If the Send Result button is not available, the message you've selected may have been manually entered and cannot be sent back to the EMR. Once you click the Send Result button, a copy of the report will be sent to the EMR in either .docx or .pdf format, depending on your CADLink configuration. Please wait up to 5 minutes for the document to appear in the patient file. The first time a report is sent, it will be sent as a final result. Any additional reports sent after the first will be sent as a corrected result. The Send Result button will change to a Send Corrected button. You can also upload additional documents from the PC, view the document attachments for the currently selected patient, or delete attachments. Only a single document can be sent back per patient. Any additional information can be copied into the document before it's sent back.